everybody, my name is Marla Meridith. Thanks so much for joining me here today. We are going to be baking a cast iron skillet banana bread with a streusel coffee cake topping. You're absolutely going to fall in love with this really easy recipe, and I guarantee that when you hop out of bed in the morning, this is going to be the first thing that you crave. It will probably get you to hop out of bed in the morning. Now I live in the mountains here in Telluride, Colorado, so I love all these quick breads, which are easy to make at any altitude with predictable results. But when I used to live in New York, especially when I lived in New York City, I was especially obsessed with any kind of coffee cake, crumbles, all that kind of stuff that had a streusel topping. So today we are baking up the best of all worlds with a delicious moist banana bread and that crumbly streusel coffee cake topping. One of my favorite things about banana bread is that I don't have to waste ingredients. I have these brown bananas that I'm certainly not going to eat. So the best thing to do with them is make banana bread. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to see you back around here again soon. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. If not, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell in the corner so you get your notifications so that you don't miss any videos. Okay, let's get started. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees while we assemble all the ingredients.
Tell me what you wanna do. We could just laugh if you wanna. Late nights under stars if you wanna. We could just kiss if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. We the stars. Y'all stars.